Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I've got for you quite a large home bargains haul. I've got some food this time. I don't very often include food, but I've got a few bits because a few of you said you'd like to see some food items. So let's start with some. First up, these are, if you've not tried these, they're delicious. They're like rice crackers, and these are the rice thins, and these I think are a new flavour, chicken and herb. And they're in 4 little separate snack pots. So if you're the sort of person that opens something and can't then not eat the rest, these are ideal because they come in 4 separate little packs. So they're 109 calories per pot and they're 99p for 4. So really, that's like 4 packets of crisps for £1. Not bad. Shown a couple of these before. Alan loves them. Alan tries to be vegan if he can, or at least vegetarian. These are lovely to put on pizzas, salads. I eat these a lot. Crispy fried onions, and he loves these as well. These are the smoky flavoured crumbles. So because he doesn't eat bacon anymore, they're like a bacon flavour. So they are 89p a pot. And then for the first time, I've got these croutons. Garlic and herb croutons, again, use as toppings on salad or soup, 89p. I bet they're quite a few calories. Let's have a look. So the whole pot, oh my gosh. Whoa. The whole pot is 70 grams. Oh no, it's not that bad. 100 grams is 446 calories. So yes, they're not the most slimming of items, but nice as a little treat on the top of something. These, oh my goodness, I've never had these before. They are absolutely delicious. They are the Bliss Whip Bars, yogurt and strawberry, less than 8 calories each, 76 to be precise. And in there you get 5 bars. They were 99p. Oh, the only thing is they're really moreish. Really nice as a sweet snack. I will definitely be buying those again. My mouth's watering as I'm saying this. So if you've not tried them, they're a nice alternative to something chocolatey, but yeah, very tasty. Like those a lot. I'll do a few non-food items next, and then I'll move back to some more food. So, bit of skincare. These are repurchases. I bought these clearly because they're repurchases before. Love them. So this is the Balance Vitamin C Brightening Serum. 3% active vitamin C, $2.99 for this one. I'm not normally one for stuff like this, but I really liked it actually with this next product I'm going to show you. So yeah, I love this combination on my skin under my makeup. Don't normally buy stuff like this again, but I really like that. So yeah, repurchase. And another repurchase is the Peptide Face Cream. The Panda, Dizzy Panda. I think the retail of this, I'll pop the RRP on, I can't remember what it was, something like $12.99 I think. And this was $2.99. Absolutely love it. Love the packaging, love how it's dispensed. So it's in one of those lovely, I don't know if it'll come out actually, I'm not going to start doing it because I've not used my last one up yet, but it's one of those that you press the bit down there, oh, and then it pops out. Yeah, I really like that. For $2.99, that is a very nice, nourishing face cream. It's got 8 powerful peptides in it and strength enhancer. I'm not sure about that, but you get 50ml in there. Love that. Definite recommendation. In fact, those two together are really nice. You know, obviously I've got quite mature skin now, and I love that. Lovely combination under my makeup. So for $2.99, I got some more of the Magnesium Tablets. You get 8 in here. These are very good for normal functioning of the nervous system and to help with the maintenance of normal bones, teeth and muscle function. Magnesium supports normal energy yielding metabolism and and contributes to electrolyte balance. I think they're just all round generally good things to take. It's supposed to help with your sleeping. So we got some more of those, but a different brand this time. I also got some more of these after saying I wouldn't. They are the VitaWell Perimenopause Multi-Nutrient Support. So a multivitamin for people on the perimenopause. Take 2 capsules a day. You get 60 in there, so a month's worth. They're quite pricey, $5.99. But yeah, they're supposed to help with hormonal activity, psychological function, cognitive function and energy. So let's see if they help again this time. I have had them before, said I wouldn't get them again, but I have. I thought these were fantastic value. A pair of lovely grey gloves. They are the type that you can use on a phone. £2. £2 for a pair of nice gloves. Really pleased with those. They had them in grey and black. Let's just see how they fit. I didn't try them on in the shop actually. Perfect. Yeah, there's the bit for the phone. So yeah, just thought they're fleecy lined as well. They'd make a nice little present, wouldn't they? Those and a scarf. Present for myself. Oh dear. I found these. Already nearly eaten a lot. They are Dairy Milk Mega Buttons. Oh dear. I tried some of these. Marks and Spencer do them, the Mega Buttons. They're blooming they're absolutely dangerous. Look at the size of them. Yeah, you know I love Dairy Milk, you know I love buttons, and you know I love extra big buttons. So these are £2.59 and they are a big grab bag. Won't be getting any more of those because I've eaten them far too quickly. I've tried this one before, a sweet pepper stir-in pasta sauce, a rich blend of tomatoes with yellow and red peppers. I have got the dolmio as well. That was on an offer from £1.69 down to £1.49. That was 79p. So that's completely different in price, isn't it? So what I may do, I tend to do a massive, what we call a cook-up. So when I do food, I'd probably make about 10 portions. So I'll probably use both of those in there. But yeah, really nice, just stirred in pasta. I can add meat to it. I think you could even have it with rice, actually. Yeah, very nice. Can we talk dishwasher tablets? Aren't they pricey? Goodness gracious. I went to get some of the, is it Ariel? Or Power Gen or something, I don't know. One of the brands, a big bag, £13.99. I thought, I'm not paying that much for dishwasher tablets. So I thought, I'm going to try these. Our plates and stuff, they don't tend to get that dirty. We often swill crockery out before we stick it in the dishwasher, so it's not like it's got to get through lots of grease and grime. And because we don't eat that much meat, there isn't a massive amount of fat on stuff, so just a quick wash. So I thought I'm going to try these. These are the Finish Power. So for 15 of those, £1.99. That's much better pricing for me. So I've got a couple of these. One I've already used. They are Coleman's. This is the chili con carne mix, and I also got the spaghetti bolognese, but I've used that one. They are 79p per sachet. Got myself a diary. 99p. Really chuffed with that. Look at that. Lovely. And then a couple of bits for the store cupboard. Our black pepper mill broke, so I thought I'm just going to get one of these. Black pepper grinder. It's only 99p. I thought that was really good value. And I always love to have this in the cupboard. This is Italian seasoning. Use this in lots and lots of cooking. Absolutely everything. Very, very handy to have in the cupboard. Do you know when somebody moves into a house, I think buying stuff like this, lots of, is a really nice gift because it costs a lot of money to get all your seasoning and herbs and spices. And I think a load of these, because they do all these matching, would be a lovely present. Then for 99p, I got a tub of the pink stuff. Absolutely love this. Use this on everything. And then a new product, £1.99. Not seen this one before. Kill Rock, which I feature quite a bit on this channel. This is the grout cleaner, and I've done a separate video on this to show you how effective it is. It's really good. So for £1.99 I was really pleased with that, and I've used it to clean one of the showers, and there's plenty left. So I hope you've enjoyed that one. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you have, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.